PancakeSwap is one of the largest decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Its Cake token is used for staking, providing liquidity, participating in new project launches, and much more. Since its last protocol update and partnership with Binance, the price of Cake has witnessed a strong boost. In the weekly chart, we can see that the price of the token Cake is trapped within a descending channel with declining highs and lows. That said, since this last low, we've seen a recovery movement with the price even acting differently from other cryptocurrencies, and now it is in a small lateralization phase. From its highest point, it has seen an 88% correction in 322 days. Since its lowest point over the next 3 weeks, it recovered by 96%. Between March 14th and 20th, there was a slight sign of buying strength in the liquidity zone between $5.07 and $5.65. It is an important movement, but we must keep in mind that we saw a significant correction movement. From March 21st to 27th, we can see a considerably powerful candlestick, which, as we can see, has broken the volume average. It is a full-bodied engulfing candlestick that surpasses the 4 previous descending candlesticks. Following this sign of a boost, it moves along to the next week starting March 28th, reaching a considerably important resistance zone in which it is located today. The week starting April 4th, there was an attempt to move toward the upside, however this was rejected and instead tested the support of $6.9 to $7.6. The week starting April 11th, we can see a hammer candlestick with a movement reversal connotation. As we can see, the price has been lateralizing between $8 and $10, unlike the crypto market, especially Bitcoin, which is found in a downtrend. With the deployed averages, we can see that the candlestick of the week starting March 28th closed at the 20-period moving average level, and the following week it closed below that average. The hammer candlestick was unable to approach that level, although the next candlestick did close above the 20-period moving average. In the daily time frame, we can clearly see a falling wedge pattern, a pattern with an inclining connotation. In addition, between January 22nd and March 15th, there's a bullish divergence in regard to the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. On March 16th, there was a significant volume input as well as a boost resulting from the news around PancakeSwap, which led the price from $5.30 to $10.40. Between April 1st and 4th, the price touched an incredibly important resistance zone, forming a small declining divergence in the RSI. In addition, the RSI was found in an overbought zone. After that point, it headed toward the support of $7.6 approximately. Since April 12th, Cake has carried out different movements in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, in fact, has been drawing a downtrend, but the Cake token is somehow lateralizing in the resistance zone. Although if we take a look at yesterday's candlestick, we can see an evident declining connotation, a shooting star candlestick. With the deployed averages in the daily time frame, we can see that from March 14th to April 4th, the 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages have been won, although still far away from the 200 period moving average. On April 4th, the pullback kicked off, and on April 11th, it crossed the 20 and 100 period moving averages, although it did not reach that of 50. At this moment, the 50 and 100 period moving averages are crossing each other, which reveals a sign of a bullish movement. However, we must remember that the averages are late indicators. While the price is maintained above 20 period moving average, we could see a lateralization, and the price could go on to look for the comfort zone at $10.5, where the incredibly important resistance zone and the higher part of the falling wedge are found. As we always say, we can't only focus on technical analysis. We must also pay attention to the relevant news which could influence the price's movements. By doing so, we could get a better understanding of how the cryptocurrency market works. Firstly, let's take a look at the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. The Fear and Greed Index indicates a state of extreme fear in the crypto market. This is clear when looking at the price of Bitcoin, which is currently at $38,500. At the time of editing this video, the CoinMarketCap platform revealed the growth of the Cake token by 13% over the last 7 days. In addition, the total value locked of DeFi projects, meaning the amount of money pumped into this type of projects, has increased since March 14th. In other words, many users have opted to deposit value in decentralized finances projects. This evidently benefits PancakeSwap, as it is a decentralized exchange. The PancakeSwap platform is ranked 11th in terms of total value locked. In total, the network has over $5.85 billion blocked, an amount which is especially important if we take a look at the one with the most TVL, which is Curve, with approximately $21 billion. Nevertheless, over the last 7 days, PancakeSwap has lost 10% of its total TVL. In this chart, we can see the TVLs fall over the last few days, a movement that has accompanied Cake's price lateralization. One of the most important developments that has boosted the price of Cake over the last few weeks is PancakeSwap's partnership with Binance. What's the idea behind this alliance? To boost the CDeFi concept, in other words, the union between centralized and decentralized systems. Through this union, Binance incorporates a DeFi wallet in order to transfer funds from Binance to decentralized applications such as PancakeSwap. The PancakeSwap protocol has also just introduced updates to its roadmap compliance. In this image, we can see that futures trading has been incorporated, in addition to the possibility of establishing limit orders and staking at a fixed term. In this image, the PancakeSwap account explains how to migrate to MasterChef version 2, which is the update of its liquidity pool. And in this announcement, we can see that fixed-term staking comes into operation today, a new service that offers rewards to those who deposit their tokens in staking for a long period of time. This is intended to reward those who trust in the project. PancakeSwap is one of the most used decentralized exchanges on the market. Since its launch in 2020, it has not stopped growing, even partnering with the great Binance ecosystem. Its constant updates and compliance with its roadmap generates trust in users, although some of the main criticisms around the project is its inflationary system. Its token burning system seems to not have enough of an impact, since the tokens that are burned are not the same as the number of tokens that are issued.